let us be clear that we don't have a pen and paper exam. We only have is a midterm task, in the form of a video. So number 1 po, work with your group mates. Number 2, create a video singing our university hymn. Yan po. Okay, so you have 2 weeks to complete your requirement. Is it clear? Pakitthumbs up po.
Shall defend the golden. I'll strive to bring thee more fame. I shall wear thee golden blue, the colors of the national youth.
I shall wear thee golden blue, the colors of national youth. I pledge my life, my honor to thee, my alma mater, who made me go wisdom, gave me love and made me strong. I shall defend the good name, I strive to bring the more fame.
I should